Finding a concealer with many different benefits can be hard, but the Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken Concealer, it's literally everything you want in a concealer, and it does include 5 different benefits just in this one concealer, which include erasing, perfecting, brightening, hydrating, and refreshing your under eye. So just look at the difference before and after the concealer. It makes seriously such a big difference, and I love this concealer so much. I use it whether I'm doing a natural glam or even just a full glam makeup look. And one of my favorite things about this concealer is, of course, the packaging. I love the squeeze tube bottle, and also that this comes with a sponge applicator, and this sponge is also antibacterial, which is super important since we'll be using this on our skin. So I love how easy it is to apply on my under eye. I literally just squeeze and apply it, and then also blending it out is so easy. And just look at how good of a job it does at hiding my dark circles as well as brightening my under eye. I find that super important when it comes to my everyday makeup because I want something that's going to brighten and make my eye look more awake, but also, of course, give me that coverage that I need to make it look like I got a full night's rest. And I love that this concealer is super hydrating because it doesn't emphasize any of my fine lines that I have under my eyes. And the fact that there's vitamin C and caffeine infused into this concealer is amazing. And if you love to cream contour, these concealers are also going to be amazing for that. And I also love that they are 24-hour wear and transfer proof, so you won't deal with your concealers transferring or smudging onto anything. So I love that. And just to get that extra highlighted look, I do like to take a shade that's even lighter than my skin tone and just apply it to the main points of my face, which would be the inner corners of my under eye and also a little bit on my forehead and my chin. These are just going to really brighten these spots. And just like that, you now have fresh, hydrated, and brightened under eyes, which look more awake, using the Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken Concealer. And every time I wear this concealer, I always get asked what concealer it is because it looks so beautiful on the skin, and it is this Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken Concealer, which is available in 19 different shades and one universal brightening shade. So what are you waiting for? Shop and try this concealer out now.